Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can transfer GCredit to GCash Wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your particular GCash app. Once you have done that, this is how the interface gonna look like. So now from over here, simply go ahead, tap on the option of view all and scroll down to the section of manage and tap on a para outlet. Then from over here, you will find your particular available balance on top and tap on plus tag pondo for that. Now choose the amount and tap on continue. Then you will find para outlet where you will have the installment payment given at the bottom. You can see purchase amount and loan amount. You can check now installment for 9 months. You can check now installment for 12 months. Whichever one you prefer. Once you have tapped on that, you will have to simply provide some of the other information as a verification process for it. Go ahead, go through that. And once the purchase has been successful, you can see payment method GGifts, purchase amount, loan amount is given over there, and your monthly installment payment is also written at the bottom. And that's how you should be able to transfer GCredit to GCash Wallet likewise. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.